Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make few premixes that can be stored in the refrigerator up to 6 months. These premixes will help you and save a lot of time in your cooking. Since Ramadan is around the corner, I thought of making few masala premixes and few cake premixes, which will save a lot of my time. You need not take all of the masalas out, just one bottle and everything will be ready within a few minutes. If you are a working woman, these premixes are going to help you. During your leisure time, prepare these premixes and keep it, and your daily routine will be made much easier. Today we shall see how to make vanilla cake premix. I've taken 1 cup of maida, removing 1 tablespoon of maida from it and replacing with 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This is called as cake flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I've taken half a cup and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, you can even add normal sugar. I've already added half a cup, now I'm adding 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of milk powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't have milk powder, you can skip this step. You can later add on while making the batter, you can add milk. Instead of making the batter with water, we'll be adding milk. Now I'm adding quarter teaspoon of salt. This is citric acid. This is added instead of vinegar and it acts as a preservative to the cake premix. Quarter teaspoon of citric acid. These are readily available in the market. It will cost about 10 to 15 rupees. Just give a churn, do not overmix, and your vanilla premix is ready. Now we shall prepare chocolate premix. Same way, I have taken 1 cup of maida and removing 1 tablespoon from it and adding back 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of citric acid and quarter teaspoon of salt. Sugar, 2/3 cup of sugar. Next we shall see how to make red velvet cake premix. Remove 1 tablespoon from 1 cup of maida. Add back 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 2/3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 and 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of citric acid, quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. This is to give the red color. If you don't have this, you can even skip this step. I'm adding little yellow color to enhance the color of red. You can even add normal red food color to this. I'm not sure if you can see, it has a light pink shade. Now our premixes are ready. I shall include the instructions in the description box on how to use these premixes. Please don't forget to check them. We'll be coming up with more premixes recipes this week. So Bye until I meet you in my next video.